All right, here it is. HPI RS4 Sport, new tires and wheels. And I had to trim the body out a little bit, but it's not rubbing. Once in a while under compression it's gonna touch, but we'll see how it goes. It'll be fine. Ooh. Get the steering dialed in.
False leaders, our drug dealers, our street herders, our news dealers, our free willers, our fear mongers. It's what it takes to be American.